Hi. Uh, so let me show you. I have the LG dishwasher. When you turn on your dishwasher, okay, let me turn it on. Okay, after you turn it on, you get that EI arrow, and you hear the beeping, the EI arrow. That means your dishwasher is either clogged or it have too much moisture in the system. So even if you turn off or on, it still don't turn off. So let me show you how to clear this off. Okay, so next what you have to do is you have to turn off the power or unplug your dishwasher. I have the switch, so I turn it off the switch. Okay, and in the dishwasher you pull this tray out, take out the tray. Okay, take this whole thing out. Okay, put on the side and make sure to check your drain. Let me see, let me turn on the light. Okay, to check your drain, make sure the drain connect to your disposal is clear. This is the pipe to the dishwasher. Make sure it's clear and no water in there. Okay, the next step is you unplug the outer filter. Take this out, completely out. Okay, and put it away. And also, you see the drain right here? Make sure it's dry, very dry. So look like I have some issue. The water, somehow it got flood and it's don't have the moisture built into it. Okay, so what you're gonna do? So get the drag or the towel, dry towel. Make sure you clean everything up, all dry. Make sure it's all dry. Okay, after that, to test it out, I'm turning on the switch again. See, the arrow is still there. You hear the system? Okay, so turn the power back off. So what I do, I stick a fan into it and turn on my fan. Oh, I broke my fan. Okay, that's okay. Okay, so turn it back on. Okay, and leave the fan on, run it at least from 24 to 48 hours for the dishwasher completely dry out. And I will let you know when it's ready. So I leave my fan in there and just close my dishwasher and let it dry for about 24 to 48 hours. Okay, and I shall be back.